How's it, grade 10s? So what we're going to do today is we're going to go on to rounding off decimals. Okay, so if we have a look here, it says it is not always convenient to work with all the digits after the decimal comma. Decimal answers are rounded off to an appropriate degree of accuracy, which is usually indicated in the question. So you've seen these type of questions where they say round off your answer to 1 decimal or 2 decimals or 3 decimals. Okay. Just take note that your calculators do automatically round off your decimals after 10 decimals. Okay. So let's have a look at example 1. Round off the following correct to 3 decimal places. So what we do is we look for our decimal, there it is there, and then we look for the third decimal place. So 1, 2, 3. So this is the one that we're looking at here. And what we do is we look at the number on the right. If that number on the right is 5 or more, we bump this number up. Okay, so this would be equal to minus 3, 4, 6. Now, because this is 5 or more, we bump that up to the next number, which is 8. Okay, 3 decimal places, 1, 2, 3. So we're looking at this one here. So this would be approximately equal to. So look at the number on the right. It's 5 or more, so that gets bumped up. But if we bump that up, it'll become a 10. So we carry the 1, and that becomes a 7. So this would be equal to 4, 2, 7. Okay. Now this one over here, we don't really know what that is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on the calculator. So 15 root 7. And we're getting this number here. So I'm going to write down exactly what this number is. 39,68626 967. Okay, and just remember, my calculator is rounding this off. This number actually carries on and on and on. Okay, so what we're looking for is third decimal, 1, 2, 3. So we're looking at this one here. Okay, the number on the right is less than 5, so we don't bump this up. So to round it off, 39,686. We do not bump this number up. Okay, now that is rounding off to a certain decimal place. Now when they start talking about rounding off to a significant figure, that is a little bit different. Okay, so example 2, round off correct to 3 significant digits. Okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to look for actual numbers. So for example here we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. And we're looking for significant digits. So we're going to count up to 3 significant. So we're going to count 3. 1, 2, 3. That is the number that we are looking at. Okay. So you see it's different from a decimal place where we didn't count from the decimal, we counted the actual numbers. So the number on the right of this one is 5 or more. So we bump this up. So this is going to be negative 13, 5. Okay, again, 3 significant digits, 1, 2, 3. That's our third significant digit. Number on the right is less than 5, so we don't bump that up. So this is just going to be 2, 5, 6. Okay, looking for the third significant figure, 1, 2, 3. The number on the right is 5 or more, so we bump that up. So this becomes 493. I just want to do another example here with you, grade 10s, just to show you. So if we've got, say, a number like this, 0, 0, 0, 2, 5, 6, 8, 9. Okay, the question still holds, round off correct to 3 significant digits. Now, you would think that you would count 1, 2, 3, and that would be your third significant digit, but it's not, because 0 is not significant. Okay, so we have to ignore these leading zeros, and we go 1, 2, 3. That is your third significant, okay, because we ignored those zeros. The number on the right is 5 or more, so we bump that number up. So this would be 0,00257. Okay. And that is it for today, grade 10s. No homework. Yay.